Hello everyone, the Duke here, and welcome back to another video in the saga, or whatever it's called, of my 2019 Coleman moped. After popular request, well, not request necessarily, more criticism, I've got a muffler gasket which I'm going to throw on, and I'm going to do a quick oil change thanks to my Publix oil right here. And after cutting myself, I made myself a little bitty oil pan right here. This is 17mm that I'm going to loosen to. Shoot. Oh, I got it. Oh, okay. I thought. Okay. Oh man, I was so freaking close. Well, that's draining. We're gonna work on the exhaust, which, as far as I remember, 2 bolts on the bottom and that bolt right there, and that's it. Finally got these bottom bolts loose, and I just used a 10mm. There's the muffler off. Yeah, that'll fit on well. Guess we'll just set this on top as we push it in again. Alrighty, the exhaust and the exhaust gasket are now bolted in. I didn't record it because that's boring. And so now we just gotta fill it up with oil right here, which shoot. I was hoping not to have to fill it up with a nozzle, but looks like I will, so we'll figure something out. If you thought the plastic bottle was just the start of my genius, which I realize now actually will eat through it, I'm gonna put it into glass. Behold, paper plate covered in tin foil. Literally perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but it's literally perfect. I know I spilled a small amount on the ground, but look at that. Oil change is done. Now, what I discovered, of course, when I was putting in the battery is that it was very hard to get out. So I've created this tape strap that will allow me well, we made it down the driveway. Let's try it again. Well, this thing runs good. It actually, even though it was a little gutless at first, it got better as it went on. So, I'm not sure how to explain it, but new exhaust gasket, so everyone can stop complaining on the original video. And it has a brand new oil change, even though we're almost at 900 miles right here. It's a fun little thing to have, and if you see a cheap one of these or a scooter like this in your area and you want to have something to work on, I'd say pick it up because these are really easy. I mean, heck, this thing is extremely easy to tear apart. Very fun to drive around, and I mean, you know, I only take it in the neighborhood. I don't actually use it for utility because it's way too slow, but it's just fine for tooling around and cooling off, which is what I'm about to do. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off.